Supercomputers are designed for high-speed, complex calculations in scientific and research fields. Its performance is exceptionally powerful with the ability to perform trillions of calculations per second. These computers are large, often requiring specialized facilities and cooling. Workstations are high-performance computers for professionals in design, engineering, and research. They are powerful, but less so than supercomputers, suited for complex tasks. Workstations are typically desktop-sized. Microcomputer, also called personal computer, are for general-purpose, everyday tasks like word processing, web browsing, and gaming. It has moderate power, plus is suitable for personal use and small-scale tasks. These are small and compact in size. Mainframe are computers designed for large-scale data processing and transaction handling in enterprise settings. Its performance offers high processing power, reliability, and often features like redundancy, which is helpful against data loss. Mainframes are large computers, typically located in data centers for business use. In summary, supercomputers are for scientific calculations, workstations cater to professionals, microcomputers are for personal use, and mainframes handle extensive data processing in enterprises.